Well, hello there, over 50, starting over friends. Mark Tennant back with you with your AI tip of the week. This week, AI for career resilience, how to identify in demand skills in any industry. Well, a lot of us over 50s, actually, many of us, are facing longer work lives. Retirement age is increasing, changing economic pressures. So, career resilience, staying relevant, adaptable, and employable is not just a luxury anymore. It certainly is it's a necessity. With 2026 right around the corner, what can you do right now to gain that competitive advantage? And I think you know what I'm going to say. You need to embrace AI. It's here, it's not going away, and it can be your career changer. It really can. So, we've put together 3 short tips on how to take advantage of that. And number 1, use AI-powered search tools. With powered search tools like Perplexity.ai or ChatGPT's search ability, it's awesome to identify these skills. Perplexity is my go-to, but ChatGPT, great search capability. Both platforms have free versions with the search built right into them. And of course, that's what Perplexity does. So number 2, write the following prompt. And you can stop this, take a screenshot of this prompt, and put it into ChatGPT or Perplexity. It will read that, it will translate it for you, add your industry, and there you go with that prompt. So act as an expert HR professional and list the top 5 to 10 skills employers are seeking in whatever your job is or your industry in 2025 and 2026. And not bad. In this case, we used an accountant specialist. So here are the top skills in 2025: technical accounting and financial reporting, data analytics, technology and automation savvy. And with that one, it mentions some tools: QuickBooks, SAP, Oracle, NetSuite. All of those platforms have AI capabilities built into them. So you're going to see it everywhere. Soft skills, communication, collaboration, and adaptability. Those soft skills you have, your work experience, your life experience, those are top skills in any industry, if you ask me, and in accounting as they list them here. They give you a nice list of what to emphasize in 2026, looking ahead, building on 2025 skills: advanced tech integration, deeper analytics, cybersecurity and data governance, advisory mindset, continuous learning, and change resilience. Again, there it is, and AI is at the top of that. Number 3, write the following prompt. And again, take a screenshot of this, had ChatGPT or Perplexity translate it for you, and then have them run that particular prompt for you. And this one is: act as an expert HR professional and summarize changes in skill demand for whatever your job is in 2025 and 2026. So here it is. In this case, I had a business development specialist. And in 2025, which changed already, AI moved from a nice to have to workflows. There it is. Relationship only selling is losing ground to tech savvy, product smart business developers. Skills are rotating faster, and then data fluency is no longer a necessity. It is a requirement. It gives you a short skill map, which is a practical snapshot of a business development specialist in 2025 and why it matters. And then it looks ahead to 2026, where it's headed next. From AI copilots to early AI agents inside the revenue stack. And we're going to have an episode on agents one of these days, because we're nowhere near where people think we are with AI agents. Humans still matter, and they will continue to matter for quite some time. And then the bar for data hygiene and governance keeps rising, and durable human skills won't fade. They will differentiate. Of course, they have a short list of skills to prioritize in 2025, moving into 2026. AI for work, tech depth, account strategy, durability skills, and of course, soft skills. And finally, a custom GPT developed by this guy, my friend Paul Raitzer. Paul is the CEO of a company called SmarterX and the AI Marketing Institute here in Cleveland, Ohio. And he put this GPT together. It's a custom GPT, so just go ahead and open up ChatGPT. In the upper left corner, you will see this menu, Explore GPTs. It will take you to a search page. Just type in jobs, and Paul's Jobs GPT will be right at the top of the list. So when you open it up, this is what it is. So what Paul's GPT does, he created the ability for this GPT to analyze any job title. And what it does, it takes that job title, it lists the top tasks that a person who has that job title performs. It gives an exposure level to AI. In other words, can this task be done by AI or can it not? And then it gives a percentage of the work that AI can do for that particular task, and then the rationale for using AI. So when you go in, you can just add a job title. In this case, I added Human Resources Specialist. And as you say, the main tasks of the GPT are right there. And when you run this prompt and it goes through and gives you the tasks and the rationale and those types of things, the window to look at is very, very small. So what we've done, we've just went ahead and exported it to a spreadsheet, and you can do that within this GPT. And there it is, Jobs GPT output for Human Resource Specialist. It gives you the tasks, it gives you the exposure level, and you'll see the key right below, and then the rationale for that. In this case, once again, for a Human Resources Specialist. So great tool, Jobs GPT from ChatGPT. So to wrap it all up, regularly ask AI about trends within your job. Ask AI for a career checkup often, and you can do this at any time. And these AI tools, they instantly summarize posted jobs and reveal trending skills. You could actually feed it job descriptions as well. And use AI to create daily learning challenges. I do it all the time. So with your turn, these AI-powered tools, they make it easy to identify trending skills within your industry. The insights can help you tailor your resume, and don't forget how good of a writer these AI models are. Upskill strategically and stay competitive in today's market. And continual learning supported by AI in the latter part of your career will help you stand out. And I want to know what you think about it. Email me, mark@marktennant.net. And on the socials, I'm on LinkedIn at Mark E. Tennant. Till next time, keep using AI. See what your job is all about. Use that Jobs GPT, and I hope it helps you out. Till then, take care.